Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to walk you through the Cash App Financial Dashboard, your one-stop place to manage your money, payments, cards, and more. Whe- Whether you're new to Cash App or just want to understand how to get the most out of the app, this tutorial will cover everything you need to know to navigate and use the dashboard confidentially. Let's dive right in. Okay, step number one, open Cash App and land on the dashboard. First, unlock your phone and open the Cash App. When you open it, you will land on the home screen, which serves as your main financial dashboard. Here you get a quick snapshot of your balance, recent transactions, and navigation tab. Step number two, understanding the balance overview. Balance overview. At the top of center of the screen, you will see the cash up balance displayed prominently. If you use coin or stock balance through Cash App, you will see your balance through the Hero tool, usually below your main balance. This area gives you a real-time update on how much money you have available. Step number three, explore your recent transaction activity feed. Just below your balance, scroll down to see your activity feed. This shows your most recent payments sent or received. Tap on any transaction to open detailed info, the date and time, the exit amount and receipt, any notes or message attached, transaction status, it's complete, pending, or cancelled. Now, step number four, using the banking tab. At the bottom left of the screen, tap the banking tab. The little bank icon is look like this. Here you can see your linked bank account or debit card. You can add cash, transfer money from bank to your Cash App balance, cash out for withdraw money for Cash App bank to your bank account, set up direct auto deposit to receive paycheckers or other payments straight into the Cash App. This step helps you manage where your money flows in and out. Step number five, sending the requesting money payment step. At the bottom center, tap the Payments tab. Here you can enter the amount you want to send or request. Type the recipient, cash tag, phone number, or email address. Add a note or memo for contacts if you want. Then hit pay or request. This This tab also shows you available Boost instant discount for your cash card purchase. Step number six, cash card tab. Managing your cash card, tap the cash card at the bottom right. Here you can view your virtual cash card or physical card. Activate a new cash card, customize your card settings, size, set your PIN, enable and disable your card, freeze your card instantly if its lost or stolen. See and apply cash card boost for discount at stores and restaurants. Access your profile and settings. This one is additional. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. In this menu, you can edit personal details like your name, email, and phone number, change privacy and security, enable PIN, Face ID, or Touch ID, manage linked banks and cards, set up or manage direct deposit, explore cash app support for help and FAQs. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.